Welcome to the digital world. Hey there. Ever heard of internet marketing and wondered what it is? Let's break it down and see why it's so important for businesses today. What is internet marketing? Internet marketing is a way businesses use the internet to tell people about their products or services. It includes things like SEO, social media, content, and emails. SEO, finding you online. First, there's SEO. Imagine you're looking for a new game online. SEO helps make sure your favorite game shows up at the top of the search results, so you find it easily. Social media, sharing and connecting. Next is social media. It's like your online hangout spot where you can share cool stuff and chat with friends. For businesses, it's a way to connect with people and show off what they offer. Content marketing, telling your story. Content marketing is about telling stories. Whether it's blogs, videos, or pictures, it helps businesses share useful information and keep people interested. Email marketing, staying in touch. Email marketing is like sending a friendly letter. Businesses use it to stay in touch with their customers and let them know about new products or special deals. Why internet marketing is important? So why does all this matter? Because it helps businesses reach more people, find the right customers, and see how well they're doing. It's a smart and cost-effective way to grow. Call to action. Want to learn more about internet marketing? Follow us for more easy tips and tricks to help your business shine online. Join the internet marketing revolution with Dial 4 Web. Visit us at www.dial4web.com or call now +9185 271 17507. Contact us to learn